What our company is currently displaying for sale: copper products, insulated copper pipes. We use high-quality dephosphorized copper tubes. Purity greater than 99.9%. Fire-resistant, high-temperature, low-temperature, UV-resistant insulation material made of polypropylene. Meets the requirements of ASTM E84, UL94, ASTM D1056, and ASTM G21. Working temperature 40 Celsius below 0 to 120 Celsius. Common product length 15 meters, 20 meters, 30 meters, 50 meters. It can also be customized according to your needs. Mainly used for air conditioning, refrigeration system, and HVAC system. The product adopts standard export packaging. If you are interested in purchasing, please feel free to contact us.